Hey guys, Lucky Insights here, and in today's video I'm going to go over the best tips and tricks when it comes to connecting your Xbox Series XS to the internet. And this also works with PlayStations. It kind of, they're all working the same kind of way. So the first thing I would recommend is to use an Ethernet or wire connection. As you can see on my Xbox I have right here next to it, I have my Ethernet cord plugged into the back of the Xbox. And that Ethernet or wire connection is going to give you your best connection speeds and gaming speeds and limit your lagging out and things like that. But if you don't have the option, some tips you could do with your router is to maybe move your router to a more centralized location of the house, or get a Wi-Fi booster, or if none of that works and it's just a simple, like a once in a blue moon situation, simply restarting your console. So, unplug it for a minute and plug it back in. And then if that doesn't work, another thing, after you reset the router, I would recommend to restart your Xbox. So you will go here, restart. Sometimes for me, I have to restart my Xbox after I restart my router. And if none of that still works, you can go here to the Xbox support, and then you can kind of check and make sure everything is up and running. As you can see, everything's up and running right now. Some other tips and tricks you can do, you can go here, go to your settings right here. So we can go to our network settings. As you can see, I have that wired connection, and like I said, that's going to give you your best internet speeds and connections. But some things you can do, you can test your network connection, test your speeds and statistics, and it's going to give you some like when you check your speeds, your Mbps, stuff like that. And you can also test your multiplayer connection. So it'll kind of tell you if your Wi-Fi is good enough at that time to really be successful playing online. Some other things you can try to do if none of these are working is you can go to the advanced settings right here. You can go to DNS settings, manual, and two DNS manual settings that are pretty common are, for the first one, the primary would be 1.1.1.1, then you'll hit enter. And then for the secondary, you'll type in 1.0.0.1. And if that doesn't work, another one you could try is 8.8.8.8 for the primary. Then you'll hit enter again, and you'll put 8.8.4.4, and then press enter. And there's a few other ones which you can Google and try. The main thing is trying to find what works for you. And if that doesn't work, another thing you could try to play around with would be the alternate port selection. So go to manual, you select different ports for, the main thing is trying to figure out what works best to help you get connected to the internet. But like I said, the biggest thing and what I would recommend is using that Ethernet or wired connection, as that will give you your best network speeds. But other than that, if you guys have any questions or have anything else you guys want me to show you guys how to do, let me know down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And thank you guys for listening.